In 1932, deep in the outback of Western Australia, a most unusual war began. Farms were under siege, not by soldiers, but by emus, giant, flightless birds. Over 20,000 of them swept across the land, destroying crops and livelihoods. Desperate, the farmers called for help. The government responded with the military. Armed with machine guns, the Australian Army declared war on emus. But the birds were swift and smart. They dodged bullets like seasoned warriors. Attempts to defeat them failed. Ammunition ran dry. Morale sank. The Great Emu War was turning into a feathery farce. After weeks of failed campaigns, the army withdrew. The emus had won. No peace treaty, no surrender, just silence and feathers. Australia gave up the fight, and the emus marched on in victory.